Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to create and customize charts in Microsoft Word. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is select the Insert tab, and then go and right above where it says Illustrations, select the Chart button. And now at this point, you can customize different settings. It's similar to Excel, and it actually has the Excel functionality. So if you want to insert whatever type of chart you want to, you can also modify the data as well once it's embedded into the Word document. Go ahead and select the chart type and then select OK. Now at this point, go ahead and modify the data as you see fit. And if you close out of here, you can adjust the name of the chart as well as the other axis information and other pertinent information. And if you ever need to come back in here and modify the data, you can go ahead and just select the Edit Data button up in the top right. And there you go. You can just modify it, add new charts or series. You can just expand it as well if you need more columns or rows. So pretty straightforward process, guys. Do hope I was able to help you out. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.